Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add the Sir Link-a-Lot extension and use that extension. So you can either go to the Chrome Web Store or you can just Google Sir Link-a-Lot and it is going to be in the Google Chrome Store. So right here I'm going to click Add to Chrome, and when I add it to Chrome I'm going to say Add Extension. And now Sir Link-a-Lot has been added to my Chrome. I'm going to use this extension by clicking on this icon right here. And I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to open up this. And so let's say that I want to go to my Google Drive, and let's say I want to make a copy of this right here. So what I can do is I have this slideshow right here, and I can come up here to my Sir Link-a-Lot and wait for it to load all the things. And right here, if I click on Sir Link-a-Lot, as long as I'm in a Google Slides or Google Form or Google Docs, any Google Sheets, any of the Google products, you'll notice right here it says, here's my current URL. What do I want to do? Do I want to make a force copy? Do I want to make a preview copy link, a template, or a PDF? So in this case, let's say that I want to make a template. And so you'll notice it automatically modifies the URL for me. And then I can click copy link to clipboard. There's also a shortened link here, or I can choose to just open this link in a new tab. So I'm going to click copy link to clipboard. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to paste that link. And so what happens is it took that slide and it made it into a use template link. So now I can click this and use this template.